How to remove payment method from Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you remove payment method from Amazon. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just open the Amazon site from your browser. Alright, after you open the browser, from here you will get such interface after you open Amazon website. So from here, at the top right corner, you'll have to click on your name here. Alright, after you click on it, on the section your account, click on account, and from the account section, click on your payments. Alright, after you click on that option, you will be able to find your credit card or debit card on the wallet section. So from here, you'll have to just choose or select that credit card or debit card from here, and after you select it, you can easily find the options like remove from there. So simply click on that remove option. Alright, by clicking on that option, you can easily remove your payment method from the Amazon. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.